Hi friends, this is Seeta Appasaheb Patil from Jilla Parishad School Kardeheli. Today we are going to see this chart. The name of the chart is Childwise Monthly Planning. We'll start from the first. School name Jilla Parishad School Kardeheli. Teacher's name Sau Seeta Appasaheb Patil. Standard 3rd. Subject English. There are columns in this chart. We'll go for the first column. Learning outcome number. Here we have selected this learning outcome. The number is 03.17.17. And the statement for this learning outcome is learning outcome statement fixed for this month. Reads and understands English from the surroundings. The learning outcome number, its statement, here it is. And in the third column, skills to fulfill the learning outcome. The selected learning outcome to fulfill what skills we have to develop in the students. They are here. The first is identifying similarities. Second, reading with understanding. Third, narration. Fourth, providing recognition. Students needed help to develop these skills. This is the fourth column. While developing these skills, there are some students, they need help. So I pointed or I noted these students, they need help. The name is Ganesh, Akash, Pranita, Shri and Vaibhav. Here we have mentioned 4 skills and 5 students are there. They need help to develop these skills. So at what stage they are here, we are going to see. Here 2 is written. Second means Ganesh is on the second step. Reading with understanding. He can identify similarities but he is unable to do reading with understanding. All these 5 of them, they are on the same stage. Now activities or experience to develop and fulfill the skill. Here whatever skills we have mentioned, to fulfill these skills, what activity or experience we are going to give to the students. I have written here. The first is read the words which you know. Second, they read new words with the help of picture. Third, teacher shows the thing in picture and reads the sentence. Same one, third. For the third skill, narration, there are 2 experience or 2 activities. Students repeat after her. One more is there, see. For third skill, there are 3 activities. Third one is, she explains with examples. And fourth, students use these words and sentences to define a movement from the surrounding. 4 skills we have selected, and for these 4 skills, these are the activities. For the first skill, first activity. For the second skill, second activity. And for the third skill, there are 3 activities. And for the fourth skill, fourth activity. Now, evaluation tools or questions skill wise. For the first skill, identifying similarities. For this, we have taken the activity, read the words which you know. And for this, we have selected the evaluation tool, oral work. And for the second, reading with understanding, for this, they read new words with the help of picture. For this also, we have selected the evaluation tool, oral work. Third skill is narration. And for this, 3 activities are there. And for this, we have selected the evaluation tool, practical work. And for the fourth, providing recognition. For this activity, we have selected the tool, oral work. In this way, we have selected one learning outcome. We have mentioned the skills which come under this learning outcome. And for fulfilling these skills or developing these skills in the students, we have selected these activities. And for evaluation of these activities, we have selected these evaluation tools. Reference for this is from the textbook, Priya in the Village, page number 45. I have selected this picture. I will show afterwards how to take that picture considering these activities or experience. Textbook reference. Here Priya in the village, page number 45. We have selected this topic for this learning outcome. See here in the textbook, Priya in the village. This complete topic we have taken for this. Now we'll go for the students who need the help. Here we have selected Ganesh, Akash, Pranita, Shri and Vaibhav. These 5 of them, they need help and they are on the second step, reading with understanding. So for this we have taken the activity. They read new words with the help of picture. Let us see the topic. Here in this paragraph, they can read the familiar words such as small, Priya. These words they can read it. But what about the new words? Houses, village, lanes. This type of new words they can't read or they can't understand the meaning. For this purpose, I have taken this activity. Teacher shows the things in the picture and reads the sentence. Here first, I have shown them many houses. Here in the picture, there are many houses. They are close together. They are very close. By action, we are going to tell them to guess the meaning. They can come to know what the teacher is telling. The houses are very close. Small lanes between them. There are small lanes here. These are called lanes. There are small lanes between the houses. In this way, we are going to explain the sentences as well as their meaning through the picture. And after that, students read after her. Means students read this all sentence after the teacher. Now after the third activity, 4. Students use these words and sentence to define a movement from the surrounding. Means they become familiar with the sentences as well as with the picture. First they read only familiar words. In the second step, they read after the teacher with the help of picture and sentences. And on the second step, they came to know the meaning of the sentences with the help of picture. They understood what the sentence are telling. And after that, they started reading all these sentences. So in this way, we are going to complete this learning outcome with the help of this given topic. We can choose any other topic also and we can make this learning outcome to fulfill from that topic. Now this is the last column of this chart, observation record. Actually I have taken this topic in the class first only. That's why I can note these all notifications. But in the next session, if you are going to make this chart, after implementing this activity, then only you can note these all notifications. See here what I have did. Shreya, Ankita, Ananya and Shambhu added new words like bullock cart. See here. In the picture there is a bullock cart, but it is not mentioned in here. The students, they have noted it. Again one more thing. Boy and girl playing with tire. Here the boy and girl, they are playing with the tire. They have noted it. And they told me, teacher, it is also there in this picture. Means what we can say here, reads and understand English from the surroundings. Means they noted all these things and they have mentioned in their observation. So in this way, we can take this complete chart in the choosing the learning outcome. For each learning outcome, we have to fulfill such type of chart. And for the students who need help, we have to choose many activities, experience we have to give so that they can develop the skills mentioned here in this column. So please comment and share and suggest any new ideas if it is remaining from this video. Thank you.